Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
This is the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria speaking. We are here today to celebrate and rejoice with an outstanding and extraordinary monarch on the occasion of his 90th birthday anniversary. It also gladdens my heart to see the Awujale in his full glory and majesty attain this important milestone. I had planned to personally attend this epoch-making event as a mark of honor to our revered royal father. I returned from my travels abroad to be part of this occasion. However, the exigencies and demands of state duty have both conspired to make it practically impossible to be here. Earlier, I had personally signed a tribute to Kabiyesi Awujale, underscoring his transcendental and preeminent status as a royal father, not just in our country, but also as one of the most adored around the world. Kabiyesi Adetona deserves all accolades we can accord him because he earned them. In the last 64 years, Kabiyesi had served the people of Ijebu land with great wisdom and real dedication. It is not surprising that his kingdom and people have continued to thrive. While we rejoice with Oba Adetona today, it is important to say that what we are celebrating is much more than his 90th birthday anniversary. In Oba Adetona, we are celebrating courage, dignity, honor, and a life that is wholly committed to duty and service. In times of adversity, Oba Adetona shows strength and kingly character. He stood his ground and confronted injustice and oppression during our just struggle for the restoration of democratic rule in the land between 1993 and 1999. If democracy is blossoming in our country today, it is because patriarchs like Oba Adetona stood firmly on the side of the people. Motivated by higher and noble ideal to entrench democratic good governance in our country, Oba Adetona recognized the importance of expanding the frontier of knowledge with his endowment of a professorial chair at the Olabisi Onabanjo University, Ago Iwoye in Ogun State. It is appropriate that as part of the activities marking this birthday anniversary, we are also inaugurating the Postgraduate School on Policy and Governance Studies funded by Kabiyesi. Because Kabiyesi Oba Adetona has honored our country and humanity with his many years of meritorious service, I therefore, Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, kindly listen. I therefore, on this special occasion of his 90th birthday, Olori, please drop your phone and listen. I therefore, on this special occasion of his 90th birthday ceremony, confer on Oba Adetona the second highest national honor of Grand Commander of the Order of Nigeria. Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, lend me your ears to listen to the last part of the presidential directive. To ensure that knowledge production and intellectual output of the postgraduate school benefit the entire country, the National Institute of Policy and Strategic Studies, Kuru Jos, will be asked to take over the running and management of Oba Sekiru Adetona School of Governance Studies. This will be a fitting complement to KBH's educational legacy. I wish KBH Awujale more years of service to the people of Ijebuland and robust health on the throne. Many happy returns, KBH, President Bola Tinubu, GCFR, 10th May 2024. Thank you so much, and may God bless us all.
You are welcome to our base. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting that.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly recognize the presence of Mr. Kehinde Ogunsoya, Head of Service, Ogun State.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV. Was Swoby?